It is easy to find out a topic that sells on Amazon. When you discover this, you create your title around such topic. Okay? There are topics that have great potentials to sell. Okay? So in this tutorial, I'm going to just put you through on how to discover these topics using your default web browser made available on your phone or on your PC. So here I'll be working with Microsoft. So here I will be working with Chrome, Google Chrome. So let me get to where I have it on this my iPhone. Look at it here. So I'll click on it. As the browser opens, tap the three dots. It can be at the top part of your browser. It can be at the bottom part. But here it is at the bottom part. Okay. So I'll tap on it. Then select the option New Incognito tab. In some browsers, it can be just Incognito tab or Incognito window, or it can be private window. So there are different terms for different browsers, okay? Then tap the search area and visit amazon.com, all right? As the amazon.com website opens, here I'm using my phone, so I will make it to be in desktop mode, okay? But if you are using your computer, it will open desktop mode automatically. Okay, so for me to put this in desktop mode, tap the three dots, which can be at the bottom or at the top. Here it's at the bottom. Then select request desktop site. In some browsers, it can be request desktop mode. Okay, so depending on the term used there, all you know is that desktop or computer mode is involved. Okay, so I'll select the option request desktop site. Good. This now opens as if we are using this in our computer. Then at the top right, at the search area, at the top left, sorry, you will see the option all. So tap there and select books because our interest is on books. So select books. Then type a potential title you want to search about. Let's say I want to write a book on business, okay, but I don't know the title to give to it. I can start typing business. See, as you are now typing business, you can see some topics are suggested for you. You can see business strategy, you can see business and money. So I can pick from any of these suggestions and then construct it in the way that it suits me. For example, I can have a topic like business and money for beginners, or business ideas for starters, or business administration for seniors. You see now, so it has given me idea on the kind of topic that sells under books. Then, for example, let me just check another term. Let's say computers. Okay. So as I'm typing the keyword, some suggestions are being made for me. Computer version, computer architecture, computer graphics. This shows you that these topics have potentials to sell. Let's say computers. Okay, I have added S. Now you can see computers for beginners, meaning that these are the topics people search for under books. So they have great potentials of selling. Computers for beginners is first, followed by computers tool for an information age, how computers work. So this gives you idea of the title or the words to build your topic around. All right. So that is that. So let me clean this. Okay, I've deleted it. Another way is as you select books, you can find some books that are doing well in different categories. Here I have selected book already, so I will tap the search button. I don't type anything at the search bar. Nothing is at the search bar. What I did is that I selected my categories, major category as book, then tap the search icon on your keyboard. Here you can see search now that is blue. So I don't have any text in the search bar. So I'll tap on search after selecting books because I want to find books. All right. Good. This now lists some books that are performing very well on this platform in books category. Then take a look at this margin, at the left margin. You can see some book categories. You can see popular in books, New Year books, read with pride, rising Asian voices. But our interest, I want us to focus on some departments of books. Okay, so maybe I want to find some titles that are doing well on business and money. I will click on business and money under the departments. Are you getting it? Then this shows you some titles that are doing well under business and money. You can see popular in business books, the generous leader. Okay, so this is about leadership. So you can just open that book, open the particular book, and then from there pick some ideas. Okay, I'll capitalize on the title. Use it to build your own title. All right, so this is highly rated. This one, hot new releases. Okay, most gifted. There's different categories here. Are you getting it? So let's get to this margin again under business and money. You can see some subcategories in the business and money area. You can see accounting, you can see business culture, you can see business development and entrepreneurship, economics. So depending on your area of interest, you can see finance. Okay, let's say I want to go deep down to finance. So I'll click on finance to see some books that are doing well under finance. You see? Okay, so you can see the intelligent investor. So this is about investment. You can design your own title around this particular one that is doing well, then pick your points from here and then change it the way that it is made yours. So these are just how you can find some books that are performing well on Amazon without you using a third-party apps. There are some third-party apps you can use, for example, Publisher Rocket, but that is not free. But if you don't want to spend any money, this particular simple tricks gives you idea on the kind of titles that sell on Amazon. Okay, so the kind of titles you need to publish on Amazon KDP to make sales. Okay, so it's just a simple trick, and when you apply that, believe me, you will make much sales with time. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button as well for the video to go viral. And leave a comment so that people know that this is a valuable video. See you next time.